My name is Devyn, and I'm cooking around the world.
Are we ready to cook now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you going to be my helper today? All right, let's do this.
Today I cook with Chef Cal, and he's from a country called Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is kind of close to India. They cook all kinds of super yummy food. We made fried rice and cashew curry. When you're a chef in Sri Lanka, you gotta use a lot of spices. Spices are so pretty and they smell good too.
Devyn, I'm going to use the dark roasted curry powder because that's what I normally use to cook meat. Okay? So you'll see how I do this. And you don't want to let this sit here too long when it's hot because the spices actually are already roasted, so it can overcook, they burn. And then the taste is not going to be the same.
Chef Cal said you need the perfect amount of spices to make the perfect dish. What if you put too much of the spices in, will it burn up?
No, then it's not going to taste good. We want to use just the right amount of spices to keep the flavors. So I always don't measure. I just put a little bit here, a little bit there, and I know it's good to go. Right? I'm going to use some garlic. And then I'm going to add tomatoes. Okay, so ready for the meat? I'm going to grab the meat here. And I'm going to just, instead of pouring it out, I'm going to use my hand. And you know, I want to show you this because I kept a few bones. This is going to add more flavor, so we're not going to eat this, but I'm going to put the bone in it. Okay?
Chef Cal put bones in the curry? I don't know why he did that.
I'm going to start with the onion, so I'm going to fire up a minute. There you go. It's on fire. Add white onions in there. So here we go. My favorite again, curry leaves. That's gonna go in there. This is a easy task. You go, boom, that, and then get some pandan leaves. I'm gonna use some mustard seeds. Growing up, this is how we crack coconut. So this is how I learned to do it, okay? So I hit it 1.
He went chop, chop, chop. And then I drank all the coconut juice. It was so yummy.
To make the gravy nice and creamy, I'm gonna add coconut milk. And this is gonna make it really yummy. See how it looks? All you gotta do is eat it.
It tasted super yummy when it was done.
I'm gonna add some turmeric. So this is gonna change the color to yellow. This gravy.
I hope on my big trip I get to go to Sri Lanka so I can have more of that yummy food.
What do you think? Did we do a good job together? All right, high five.